unbelievable house. We're at 1237 Isabel Drive in Sanibel, Florida. Okay, last time I listed one of these, it sold before I even got video and pictures done. I'm just trying to get video and pictures before someone comes. Put the camera down. Hi, camera, no, we're the cleaners. It's a sanitizing blaster. Okay, all right, come here. Quick video, and we'll come back and talk about this quietly. Let's go take a look. Pretty unbelievable house, right? Want to see it? Call me, 239-989-8838. I know what you're gonna say, Chad. You didn't say anything about this house being like a unicorn house. Well, it is. It's hard to find like a unicorn. Chad, you didn't put the unicorn in the video like all your other videos. Yeah, it's in there. You didn't see it? All right, go watch it again. I gotta go. Bye.